This was on the list to do on bikes as well. And this is over near Brown's Camp, off the Owens River. And you could come here by bike, bring your fishing pole and your license. And this is cool. You actually get a good sunset too. So if you come in the afternoon, it should be pretty rad. So we're gonna go and see if we can catch some fish out of this thing. But I also was informed too, there was some kind of disease with the trout this year in the hatcheries. And that sucks, because COVID, everybody's getting COVID, and in the fish world, you were getting COVID. So, there you go. All right, he's got the right idea. Motorcyclists. Okay. You know, I'm not gonna lie, but 2020 just keeps on giving. You know, most of the videos I wanted to shoot for this year have just been canceled. You know, anything from COVID to now forest fires to a broken arm. But for one thing is I got to get back to just concentrating on the more simple things, like fishing. And I can't complain. The scenery was quite really rewarding. But that's what makes Mammoth Lakes and the whole area up there really cool, is if you just don't want to ride or you want to put a lot of effort into where you're going or what you want to do, just pulling off to the side of the road can be really a good time. And for sure, I'll have to head back up here to complete this series, because in the beginning, I really wanted to do the High Sierra Diaries and make Mammoth Lakes and surrounding areas the main, I guess you would say, the climax of the whole story. So we're just going to have to plan again and come up here next year when maybe we won't have a virus, forest fires, or anything else. Hey, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and check out all my California adventure videos right here. They're all scattered. Or if you want to go to Baja, I have videos for those as well. See you on the next one.